Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how I prep my press-on nails. My last video I kind of showed you guys how I actually do them. So on this one I'm just showing you what I do to get ready. So for my press-ons I do use jelly tips. These are coffin shape, but I always use jelly tips because I feel like it's better quality and your gel adheres better no matter what gel you're using. So what I do is I just gently rough up the surface. I try not to touch the top of the nail. Normally I wear gloves, but this was just like an impromptu messing around type video. So I apply some type of sheer nudish color usually, so that way it's not just a clear nail, unless somebody wants just a clear nail. And then I apply it in a very thin coat. I make sure that I clean up the sides because we don't want our shape to be messed up. And then I come in with 2 coats of that, but I cure them thoroughly. Like, I overdo the curing for press-ons. I usually do like 2 to 3 minutes because I want to make sure that everything is cured properly. So for this set, like I said, this was just kind of random. I was sitting in class bored, so I decided to do like some little press-ons. So I really had no plan other than I knew I wanted French and I know I wanted red and white. So I did all of the nails in French tip, and I do apologize because at some point my camera cut out and I didn't even realize it until the very end. But I applied some French tip and then I applied some red gel as well. I did cure the white first thoroughly, and then I applied some red gel. And after I applied my red gel, I did sprinkle some powder on top and then cure it to give it more of that like sugary look because I wanted like a little shimmer. But then when I was done, I really didn't like my work. I feel like it was kind of sloppy, partially because I really wasn't taking my time. These aren't for anybody. These are just some little practice press-ons. Probably let my daughter play with them or something. I don't even care. But I really didn't like the quality of my work for these. So yeah, but I am going to do a little giveaway for New Year. I'm going to do a New Year set, and I will be giving them away. So make sure that you turn on your post notifications so you'll catch that, and you can have the opportunity to win some quality press-on nails from yours truly. So I decided to do like a little Christmas tree. I really didn't know what I was doing, so I kind of winged it. I think it came out a little cute, you know. But I'm actually working on a set of nails on myself right now. So I will be showing you guys that. It's going to be like my final Christmas nail because as we know, Christmas is almost here. So it's time to switch it up. So I'm going to be doing some like really bold lime green Christmassy type nail. So I wanted to practice this Christmas tree because I kind of wanted to put a Christmas tree on my nails, but I wasn't really quite sure. So this was me kind of just practicing. So once I completed this, I did apply some acrylic powder, like I said, and then I cured the nail. So after everything was cured thoroughly, I switched up some of the nails just to kind of give it a little razzle dazzle. They're the same size, so it's really not a big deal. But I just kind of switched them up to see if they look better this way. Like I said, this was a random impromptu set. I would never sell these to anyone because I just don't feel like this was my best work. So once I was done, I went ahead and I encapsulated everything with my favorite top coat. And I'll make sure I leave that link in the description box. If you're a shiny girl, this gives you the ultimate shine. So this is that top coat. So I went ahead and did that. Cured these nails for 3 full minutes just to make sure. And this is it. So thank you guys for watching. Turn on your post notifications so you can have the chance to win a free set. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.